Yeah, what up, guys? So today we intend to talk about the particle system. Uh, this is not going to be a procedural guide. It's just going to be a walkthrough. The procedure is very simple. It is something that it's very easy for any beginner to jump on. You know, the particle system is a versatile tool. It's been around for a while. It's very versatile across all platforms from Maya, Cinema 4D, Unreal Engine, and down to Blender. It can be used to do a wide varieties of things, and not just things. If effects, I mean, in the world of animation, such as text, text and logo animations, magical effects. You can even use it to create raindrop. You can uh, You can use it to give an effect of maybe a cloth tearing, explosions, and so many other things, just to mention a few, though. So, in this particular context, this is similar to the raindrop, but not fully a raindrop. Instead of you to see the raindrop droplet, what you can see here is the strawberry. So, if I should play it, you will see the way the strawberry is dropping. And as you can see, my bottle that has been keyframed to go up. So this procedure is extremely simple to do. All what you need to do is okay. Let me let me show you what to do. So all what you need to do is you create a plane. This is your plane. You scale it up to whichever size that you want. After you scale it up, then the next thing you click is the particle properties. When you click your particle properties, you here you can see that I've baked. So you don't bake yet. You go down to uh, your physics property. As you can see, I didn't even tamper with the rotation. I just left it like that. Uh, I left the randomize. The randomize will give the rotation value a different rotation velocity. So for the physics type, I made use of the Newtonian uh, methodology. I left the mass at 4.1. What was the next thing I did? So for the forces, I used this value, the Brownian forces. I used 9.9. For the drag, I made it 0. And for the damp, I made it 0.42. Reason for this is the reason for this reading. This particular reading gave me the reading, the way at which uh, the particles will fall, at which the velocity at which the particles will fall. And which other thing did I do? Okay, yeah, here's the randomized size. So this scale randomized size is the size of the strawberries that you can see here. So if so you click for the option of render as, you make it object. After you make it object, then you scroll down. You scroll down. This is the most important aspect of your particle system. Just come down here to instance object. Here, you click on this. When you click on this, it will give you the option of what you want to be dropping. So here, what I chose was my strawberry. So I could have picked plastic, I could have picked liquid light or anything. Whatever you pick here will be the thing that will be dropping. So this is the most important part of the particle system. Just come here, and click whatever you want to click on. And, uh, Here, I didn't tamper with the graffiti because obviously I want it to be dropping down. But let's assume that you want it to be flowing in an horizontal way. You can decide to tamper with the graffiti. That was the next. I think that was all. And after that, I came to the catch menu and I decided to bake. So when you bake, it will all the instructions, all the readings that you gave your project, everything will take effect in the particular order that you want it. So particle system or easy particle system has been explained. It is very simple. But if you need further explanation as regards this, don't forget to drop a comment, like, share and subscribe, share and